So, morning everybody. We came to IKEA, didn't we, Pops? Just for a few bits and bobs. And the trolleys turned out to be like this.
And there's a list more of items.
And then there's a list more as well.
Will it all go in?
Will it all go in the car? We're not sure. Right. We'll see if it will.
Roof bars are on.
Roof bars are on. We could put the bookcase. We've got bookcases. Bookcases could go on the roof of the Jeep because I've not took the roof off yet. What do you think, Poppy?
No.
No? What about Poppy on the roof?
No.
No? Right. Let's go and have a go. So, we're back from IKEA. And it got a bit full. So, we ended up getting Annie Mae's cot as well as some bookcases. So, I think we probably ought to unpack. So all the boxes are in. So, Poppy,
Yeah.
shall we do bookcases first?
I need bed first.
No, we need to do the bookcases first. So we're going to do a wall of bookcases on this wall this side. So we'll pull the sofa forward.
What's that? Red thing.
It's where the old bookcase was fastened to the wall, chick.
How's it fastened to the wall?
So we're going to run the bookcases across this wall, and then we're going to move some stuff out of the playroom into here, I think.
Hello.
That's what the plan is. Hey, Big T. Right,
Back to the bed I go.
let's get to it. Help him prepare the space, Pops.
Yeah.
Good girl. Right, I've unpacked the first one. So, shall we get building it?
Yeah.
Yeah. having a brief pause from the flat pack, aren't we, Poppy?
Yeah.
So, Poppy's cooking in Poppy's kitchen. And what's Mummy cooking in Mummy's kitchen?
Just taking the dough out of my proving cupboard.
Ah,
The boiler
the
cupboard.
boiler cupboard.
Wow!
Ollie!
Doubled in size.
Someone inside. Ooh!
We knock
Can
it
you ask what I'm cooking?
and we tip it out.
Look at that.
What's Poppy cooking?
What are you cooking, Pops?
Eggs, bacon and a pancake.
Eggs, bacon and a pancake. Oh.
Are you kicking, Annie Mae?
Sounds lovely.
No, Mummy's getting flour everywhere.
Annie Mae said, can I have some? When can I have some? Can I have some, Mummy Daddy? When can I have some?
Waggles came in.
Please.
You know when Waggles came in? He was
So we've got some rolled. Mummy's just rolling the last one. Oh, look at it go. Look at it go. She's like a rolling demon. Aren't you, Mummy?
Oh, yes.
What are you making, Pops?
they just cooking and just putting everything away. Very hard.
What's the matter, Annie Mae? Oh no! So in the Fletcher household, we're as boring as ever with this pizza toppings.
Why are we?
Because we always have the same, but they're what we all like, aren't they, Pop?
Yeah.
We're not boring.
So we got the special grated mozzarella,
They what?
we got ham, we got mushroom, we got pepperoni,
Dog's eating some ham.
we got some pineapple. What's his name, Poppy? Woofy?
Waggles.
Waggles. Same thing. Waggles has got a bit of ham in his bowl. Nom, 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 nom. Shall I put some toppings on, Pops? You testing the ham?
Hams are very good.
Good. What are you having on yours then, Poppy?
Huh?
What are you putting on yours then, sweetheart?
Ham.
Ham. And what else?
Cheese.
And
Mushroom.
mushroom.
And mozzarella.
And mozzarella. Look at that. That looks delicious. So I'm just putting the base, the tomato base on them all. Just got one more left to do. And we'll get some cheese on and we'll get the rest topped up, eh, Poppy?
Yeah.
Okay. So look at us truly amazing pizzas.
That
Poppy.
one looks like a face.
Does.
Let me come around this way. It looks like a face with a very funny mouth.
It's like the circle shape and
That's right. So we're all topped up. So I think it's time for ovening them, isn't it?
Think so.
Okay.
mine's nearly done.
Is yours near doing your run then, Poppy?
Yeah. Shall we have a look?
Go on then. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, meat and eggs.
And
And
we'll have to find out
oh, we will.
in the end.
Roly poly. What are you doing, Annie Mae, the roly poly? Hey? Pizzas are out. Da, 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 da. Look at that one.
Lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This one Poppy.
That one, Poppy.
Yeah.
Good. Poppy's doggy's got hers. Annie Mae. Here's a roly poly baby. So how's your pizza, Pops?
Good.
Good.
I'm not adding really.
Well, you're not adding just yet?
No.
Daddy's got his.
he tells us you write jingles.
You alright, mate?
You abandoned me to write jingles.
Right, I'm gonna get stuck in.
Good.
Is yours good, Pops? So Mummy's here now. Mummy's about to tuck into.
Yeah.
So Poppy's just finishing off. Mummy and Daddy's done with their pizza. It was absolutely delicious. So I think it's time to get back to the flat pack, don't you, Poppy?
But I'm still eating.
Yeah, let you finish off and Daddy will get back to the flat packing. Okay. Number one done and up. Just got
But
2 more to do.
there's only one shelf.
I've not put the shelves in yet because we don't know where the shelves are going to go, so we'll leave the shelves out
But
for
there's
now.
only one shelf though.
Yeah, we've got all the shelves to put in, Pops. So there's 4 shelves to go in, but I'll leave them out until we're finished, so we can decide on where we want to put them because we can adjust
What
them.
are we putting on them?
I don't know. We will find out.
Oh. Them in there.
Yes, so the books out the playroom are going to come in here, aren't they? And the CDs and DVDs, because we're still old-fashioned, aren't we? We're going to move them into here to make room in the playroom. Right, I'll show you when I'm done. So as you've seen, everybody, they're all done. All up, shelves all in. Not sure if we might have to move the shelves around a little bit, but it's a good starting point, I think. So that's the end of part 1 of the big move around in the Fletcher's World household. So all that's left to say is please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you again very soon. Bye bye.
Woohoo!